So hello guys, welcome back. I know today we have had a lot of videos. For anybody who was just capping um through everything, I was doing a recap. So I have two videos. The first video I was talking about fundamentals. The second video was on the daily time frame, and these four videos I'll be pointing out where the market might be for this week, and probably as from today, because today is on Monday. Remember, we have the USD bank, USD US dollar bank holiday today. So I want to go quickly through what happened on um Wednesday and Thursday, because that's when I traded. Going through Friday, that's in last week, and today that's on 16th February 2026. I'm going through ICT concepts, inner circle trading, and that's obviously smart money concepts. So anybody who just wanna learn something new, or maybe advance, or maybe back test with me, you're welcome to this channel. And also you might recommend it to your friends who are struggling on trading, because we can go together. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I am I don't offer signals. I'm just doing a mentorship for my brother. Okay? This is a mentorship for my brother, and strictly for him. Anybody who's interested and is on the outside, it's on your own risk. Okay? But I promise, if you stay, you're going to learn the best skill ever. Learn trading. Learn how to trade. It's the best skill ever. It will never be taken by AI or some stupid shit. Just stick with me, alright? So we can see the week open here. That's previous week. I was on 8. Um, that's on the week on 9th Feb. Open here. Wanted to go to these elevate to these minor buy side liquidity here. We can see that I had said in a previous video that either these kind of sticks were gonna sweep these directly, but these buy side imbalance, see here, sell side inefficiency delayed that price delivery. So if I said if it's gonna delay it, you're going to know it. Understand that? And on Tuesday we closed here. Oh, how does he know this? We closed here. So and we open here. You see that I have this new day opening gaps on Wednesday here, Tuesday. That's where we closed. On Wednesday we ran this liquidity here, so that's a good trade. If somebody came and sold these, but what is this kind of stick doing? Can you see this? This is insane. This is crazy. This can ruin your account, bro. This one here, this one here. That's a bad test. It can knock you down. Trust me. If you didn't get it right, it can knock you down. Right? So I want you to observe Sunday. We sweep these, right? We use these here. Do you see where the candlestick open? This is very close. This is where it opened. Here, here. You see that? Very funny. It closed below these zero point 0.5 level. 5,092.558. And then we open just right above that. What are we using? What are we gonna use? I don't know. This here. That one there. Damn, this is beautiful. Um, See that? Something is building up. I don't know what that is, but if you just understand this, you see this liquidity here, this one here, see that? It's beautiful. See where it open? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. So we have this 1 hour IFVG. It's a buy side imbalance side efficiency. You might see it if I go down to the 1 hour, but you see how he used that? This is trade. I got this. I got this motherfucker right into the ass. Oh my god. Sold off here, shorted, and it's so funny because I took these trades right off before the New York Open, and because I thought this thing was gonna spool up, it was gonna spool down, and I sold, but my take profit was here, but it wasn't even filled. I wasn't even bought out, and then I just came found the market. I don't know somewhere here. Then I closed the trades. You're gonna see him on the down on the lower time frame. You can see that on Thursday, and then on Friday we open here. We close here on Thursday. Friday we open here. This delivery to reprise this here. This one here, there. That one there was being repriced. You see that? What else is being used? What else? This one here. They are being reused every single day, bro. See that? If you watch my previous video, this is the consequent encouragement of that. See that? It's beautiful. If you're gonna see something like that, see how it was used? The CD. If you're gonna see something like that, just retesting. Please new with opening level here. The other levels are down here. So I I kind of took a trade, but I closed it because today was the New York was a US dollar bank holiday, and I thought the market might be sluggish, so I thought maybe I should be off the markets. But I thought of sharing some content so that I do a recap on what's happening on gold. So these I pointed out this price into that. This is another block here, a rejection block. Sorry, this one here. We use that. Price is now printing here. I thought price might want to come to this liquidity here, but we're gonna see it come to this liquidity. It's gonna use these imbalances here. Understand? Yeah. Also, there's some sell side liquidity here, heavy liquidity pool. So we want to observe this. We're treating the market in terms of probabilities. Only two probabilities. So these here, very 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 big victim, and this here. Okay. Yeah. So build up your narrative stronger to these PDRAs, and then your trading is going to be easy. Trust me, it's going to be the easiest thing. Um, so I might want to see what the market will do today. You can see the time here. It's 4:59, almost to 5 a.m. New York time. So I want to see what price will do during New York Open. I'll be here. And welcome guys to my community. Welcome guys. Yeah, so I'm going to upload another video if I think I have some things that I want to talk about. So thank you.